What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Christopher the Artist here. Welcome back to another video here on General Spirit Creates. I do sincerely apologize for my lacks of doing videos as of late. My computer back here has had a broken power supply for a while, so hopefully that will get fixed today, and I will be right back at it. My costume itself is going to be ready for this upcoming weekend for the Silicon Valley Comic-Con. There will be photos. But in terms of people asking me for templates and everything, I am going to be providing the templates in full for you all just to have, such that you guys don't have to wait for the videos. And I will hopefully have those produced over the next few days, such that you guys don't have to worry about or wait a ton of time for them. So that's going to be what's happening, and I hope everybody enjoys as having a good weekend. And the armor is going really well. I just posted on my Instagram a little bit ago of the painting process for the plastic dipping. The video for that will be out after all the videos I need to work on and everything, so it's going to be fairly exciting. And I'm also in the process still of finalizing the information for the kits that I will be eventually offering for people who don't or aren't able to make their own armor for whatever case may be. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching, everybody. Hope you all enjoy. Feel free, of course, as always, to Hulk smash that like button. Comment in the comment section below if you're new. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, may the force be ever in your favor.